Hey everybody, welcome to The Lowdown, the show that breaks down the top stories of the tech world and gives you guys the info that you really need to know every Tuesday and every Thursday. I am Robert Rosenfeld and the invites are out. That big Apple event is official and it's happening sometime in September. I've got all the details on that and everything you need to know. Also, Sony just announced their new latest flagship phone with a crazy camera, and we've got a cool Bluetooth speaker that we want to show off to you guys and also give you a chance to win one. Here's The Lowdown. The rumors are all in, the invites are out, and we will officially be seeing new iPhones on Wednesday, September 12th. Apple sent out their invites this morning with the phrase, "Gather round," and as always, many are closely examining every inch of that invite to see if there's a hint of what we'll see in less than 2 weeks. Obviously, that circular ring signifies the new Apple Park Spaceship Campus, and the event will be taking place there at the Steve Jobs Theater, and though many were hoping that the ring may signify there be a circular display on the Apple Watch Series 4, we've heard rumors for months that this is not going to happen. Apple is just going to slim down the bezels, and now 9to5Mac has published new photos that show what is supposedly this new Series 4 Apple Watch that's going to come in a gold color option and have slimmer bezels. The majority of internet sleuths are honing in on the invitation's gold and copper color, which may mean we'll get an iPhone in gold. Now, we've already heard credible reports that the lower-end 6.1-inch iPhone will come in multiple colors, possibly even gold, but this may mean the two higher-end premium iPhones will also get that gold color option as well. 9to5Mac also published images that they claim are the new iPhones in that gold color option, and they do look really good, so it'll be interesting to see if we do see that announced at the event. Besides new iPhones, we should see the Apple Watch Series 4 make its debut, and possibly we could see those new iPad Pros with the Face ID and slimmer bezels, though we don't know if that's actually going to happen. And we're also hearing no new AirPods until 2019, and AirPower. Are you seriously asking about AirPower? We haven't heard anything on that in a while. Don't expect that at this event, maybe not even until 2019. And also, we want to know what you guys have to say. Leave a comment down below. Are you excited for a gold iPhone? Are we going to see one? Also, are you excited for anything in particular or not excited at all? Leave a comment down below for your chance to be featured on the next episode of The Lowdown. Sony just took the wraps off their new high-end smartphone, the XZ3, and it looks like it's gonna pack quite the punch. The phone boasts a 6-inch OLED display with an 18:9 aspect ratio, a Snapdragon 845 processor, 4 gigs of RAM, and a 3300 mAh battery. A couple of the phone's biggest selling points Sony wants to show off: it's got a 19 megapixel rear shooter capable of shooting 4K HDR video, and also the ability to shoot super slow-mo 960 frames per second. Also, there's a feature on the phone that lets you tap the side and gives you a quick shortcut menu based on your location and what you're doing. That's of course powered by AI. This new XZ3 is extremely similar to Sony's older XZ2 smartphone, and it's just one of a number of products that's being announced at IFA in Berlin. And if you want to know the latest what's happening in Berlin at IFA, be sure to check out technobuffalo.com. We've got you covered there on everything you need to know from the event. And also, if you're interested in that XZ3, it comes running Android 9 Pie out of the box, which is really cool, and it'll be released in October for a starting price tag of $900. And for the last story today, we're gonna be doing something a little bit different. And I do want to thank Anker for sponsoring this video and sending us this speaker to check out. And also, they are actually giving away 300 of their Soundcore series speakers. And I'll tell you guys how you can enter to win one in just a minute. So the Flare Plus is not your average Bluetooth speaker. It's able to produce 360-degree sound that makes what you're listening to sound good from any direction, no matter where you are in the room. It's got 20 hours of playtime on its built-in battery life, and for those who love RGB, you'll appreciate the array of lights on the bottom of the speaker that'll kind of liven things up, add a bit of a mood to whatever you're doing. A couple of cool features that I personally really appreciate on the Flare Plus. One of the first ones being that it has a full-size USB-A port on the back of it so you can charge your device while you're playing music. The speaker is IPX7 water resistant, so you could take it out by the pool or to the beach and not worry about it getting all messed up. It can even be submerged completely underwater. Another cool feature I really like, and I think this is really cool, is that the Flare Plus can be used as a stereo pair if you have two of these things. You just open up the Soundcore app, add that second speaker, and while you're in that app, you can control the lights, you can fine-tune audio settings, and also set up each speaker as the left or right channel and listen to your music or watch a movie with stereo sound. And it sounds really good. There's lots of bass, lots of clarity, and it's even gonna sound good at high volumes, and it gets very loud as well. And for $99, you get a lot for your money. But if you want to hang on to a bit of your money and you want to win one of these for free, today is your lucky day. Anker is giving away 300 of their Soundcore series speakers, and it's super simple to enter. All you got to do is head to that link down below, visit the website, enter your information for your chance to win, and you could win one of 300 speakers. And this giveaway is running from right now, today, until September 13th. On the last episode of The Lowdown, you guys left many comments on your thoughts on these new iPhones. Some of you guys love them, some hate them, many are indifferent, but Jeremy Ocasio made a good point. He said this: "The only reason I'm excited for this is for the 8 to become cheaper." Very true, Jeremy, very true. The iPhone 8 is still a great phone, and it's not gonna be less of a great phone when these new ones are announced, and it's gonna be even better of a deal if you can get it for an even cheaper price. All right, guys, that is it for today's episode. Thank you as always for watching. I appreciate it sincerely, and I'll be back here on Tuesday to talk more tech news and break down those headlines. I'll see you then.